Today I'll be turning this piece of pine. I've had it laying around for quite some time and I figure I got to do something with it. It's about 9.5 inches across and I'm going to attempt to get a 8.5 inch bowl out of this piece of pine. We'll see how it goes. Hope you all enjoy the video. This part of the project turned out to be a pain in the backside. It took me a lot longer to carve the bowl out of this piece of pine than it would normally take. And I don't know why, but it did. Definitely took a toll on the chisels. we are at the end of another wood turn. Regardless of how many problems I had in actually carving the inside of the bowl out, it came out really nice, and I'm really happy with the outcome. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate your support, and as always, thanks for watching.